Yay! Hi, how are you guys? How's it looking? And I know that this is indeed a difficult time, but it's important for us to be smiling and happy within.
Art and craft is fully Ritesh, he's doing all of that. But I think as a family, what we do together is laundry, and that's quite a lot of fun because.
Yeah, and it's important that we need to understand that in a relationship, men and women both are equal. सो इट्स नॉट कि यार ये काम सिर्फ औरतें करेंगी और मर्द ये काम करेंगे, ऐसा कोई ज़रूरी नहीं होता है. जब घर बनता है तो दोनों का होता है, पूरे परिवार का होता है. और दोनों यानी हम दोनों भी नहीं, हमारे दो छोटे बच्चे भी हैं, तो इसका मतलब नहीं कि हम ही शेयर लोड कर रहे हैं. वी मेक देम ऑल्सो शेयर द लोड because it's the Jinle always said that it's the right age to teach them that they have to do their own thing.
We all try to get these different activities for them, and we're all struggling as moms and dads that, oh my god, how do we entertain them? All you need to do is the daily chores, and literally they have so much fun. If you tell them to do something like laundry, the whole idea of putting detergent.
And I have to tell you that, Riyan and Rahel both have their own laundry bags, so they're very possessive. कि मेरे कपड़े इसी में जाएंगे, and by mistake if one kid puts his clothes in another bag, then they're like, no, that's my bag, Baba, he has put in my bag, and that has to be my bag. So we try to get with that also, and it's fun. It's fun to involve kids in various tasks, and this is hello. A lot of people are here, so I just want to say hello to a lot of guys with a lot of hearts and a lot of hellos and a lot of girls, and wow, we are thrilled to have so many hearts.
Yeah, wow, that's so cool.
And just to say that why don't you tell them how do you share load with the kids? What is in this time that we are stuck in one house, we cannot go out because of isolation. और ऐसे वक्त अगर घर में 24 घंटे आज 20-22 दिन और आगे के up to 40 days we are going to be together, not going out, so it's not easy. तो अपने आप को how do you keep yourself busy? I'm just asking like I'm going to interview and I don't know exactly what she does, but let me tell you that I know exactly what she does, but still pretending. अच्छा जिनले मुझे बताइए कि जब आप घर पे अकेली होती हो और 40 दिन अपने पति के साथ आपको बिताना पड़ते हैं.
That's a question for him. Is he okay to be 40 days with me?
Of course, who wouldn't want to be? But what do you do? Like get up in the morning and do what?
No, I think it's really busy the day. I mean, by the time the day gets over, we eat early, we sleep early. It's just just doing daily chores nowadays, or doing little things like the kids love to bake. They love to like Ritesh and me watch a movie once in a while. I think we make it more difficult than it is. It's just about setting yourself to a certain lifestyle, and it's a good thing because I think it makes you feel a lot more independent, makes you feel a lot more capable. And as a couple, I feel that we plan our day, we plan to share the work. Like it's not like I'm going to be overworked and he's going to be underworked. Like it was Easter recently, and while we had this lunch planned and we did all the baking and all, Ritesh made the cake, and that was pretty cool.
So I made this chocolate cake,
triple mousse cake,
triple mousse chocolate cake. So it was triple chocolate mousse cake. So that was fun.
And he got the kids to melt the chocolate and stuff like that. So it became a family activity, and I think things like these matter. I mean, this is where your heart is, and they always say that food tastes better when there's a little bit of love inside. A lot of love, actually. So
lot of love, and that is so important that we all do that. And I'm sure that अपने घर पे आप सभी यही कर रहे हो. देयर आर लॉट ऑफ रिक्वेस्ट की मराठीमध्ये बोला. हो, नक्की बोलतो मी मराठीमध्ये. मला असं वाटतं की एका घरामध्ये जेव्हा आपण सर्व राहतो तेव्हा म्हणजे एखादी पती आहे, पत्नी आहे, मुलं आहेत, असं नसतं की बायांनी हे काम करावं आणि पुरुषांनी हे करू नये. अशा वेळेस आणि समजा हा वेळ जरी नसला, इवन इफ इट इज नॉट अ क्वारंटाईन टाइम, one should always share the load because it's very important to be equal and it's not ऐसा नहीं है कि घर पे बैठे हैं तो बीवी खाना बनाएगी, पति खाएगा, पति बाहर पे काम पे जाएगा. इट्स इम्पोर्टेंट. आपको पता है एक सब्जी को 5 अलग अलग तरीके से आप काट सकते हो. मुझे सब एक्चुअली 7-8 तरीके से भी काट सकते हो, वो बहुत बुरी तरीके से आप काटते हो. सो यू हैव टू जस्ट टेक केयर के all those things that we do, we have to.
One of the main things while doing laundry, though I think Ariel has done a great thing by using the share the load. It's just made you connect with it so well. I think one of the important things while doing laundry is also to make sure that we're not wasting water. So that we make sure that it's a full cycle when we're doing it. Like
so you mean that if we get like एक 2 कपड़े अगर धोने हो तो we shouldn't wash it, we should collect it.
Yeah, we should.
And have a full load of basket.
Yeah, you should.
And then wash it.
Yeah, because
okay.
that way we just save
water. That's a good tip.
Important.
That's a good tip.
Very important actually. Very important.
Yeah. I have to share something. बहुत बार ऐसे होता है कि हम लोग लॉन्ड्री में कपड़े डाल देते. We just put things in, and my son had made a nice little card for me. और वो मैंने पैंट की जेब में रखा था और बाद में धोते वक्त डाल दी मैंने. उसके बाद जब मुझे वो थोड़ा गीला थोड़ा फटा हुआ पूरा मिल गया तो आई वॉज रियली हर्ट कि इतने प्यार से उसने बनाया. ही आस्क्ड मी, बाबा तुम्हाला कार्ड दिलेले ते कुठे? एंड आई वॉज लाइक आई इट्स समवेयर, आई हैव केप्ट इट, आई हैड टू लाई, बट इट वेज अ लॉट. सो वन ऑफ द सेकंड टिप कि लॉन्ड्री के अंदर कपड़े डालते वक्त कृपया सब जेब चेक करो कि जेब में कुछ है नहीं है. चेंज है, पैसे है, कागज है, सब निकाल लो because it's a waste once it gets wet.
Yeah.
And another laundry tip that you have?
I think you really need to clean your laundry, the inside of the
washing machine
before you put your clothes in, because very often, because it's soiled clothes at the end of the day that you're putting in, so all the lint needs to be taken off and needs to be cleaned before the next cycle is ready. And another very important tip is that please use light colors with light colors, otherwise you'll be having like a disaster with the dark colors running onto light colors.
Yeah, so separate all your whites and your dark clothes and wash them that way.
Yeah, and read the instructions on each apparel because you have the laundry instructions, so you know exactly how much to dry and whether it's cold.
I haven't told you this, but once when I was in New York in 2000, in the year 2000, almost 20 years ago. एंड आई वॉज देयर वर्किंग. मैं वहाँ पढ़ाई कर रहा था और उस वक्त क्या हुआ था कि न्यूयॉर्क में था, नया अपार्टमेंट, पहली बार, तो खुद के कपड़े खुद धोने पड़ते थे. मुझे नहीं पता था ये कैसा करना है, क्या नहीं करना है. तो वहाँ पर लॉन्ड्रोमैट होता था, हम लोग बिल्डिंग के नीचे जाते थे, वहाँ पर ऐसे पूरे मशीन्स लगे हुए थे. यानी एक मुझे लगता है कम से कम 40-50 वॉशिंग मशीन्स और ड्रायर्स थे. तो मुझे कहा गया कि आप यहाँ पर कपड़े वॉश करो और उसके बाद हम लोग कैसे पहले सुखाने के लिए रखते थे कपड़े, तो ड्रायर वायर तो नहीं थे हमारे घर में, तो कभी था भी नहीं. तो पहली बार मुझे ये ड्रायर भी अच्छा है. और उस वक्त ठंड बहुत थी और मेरे सारे जो वुलन कपड़े थे मैंने वो धो लिए और धोने के बाद सीधे ड्रायर में डाल दिया. तो मतलब जो मेरा स्वेटर यहाँ तक आता था ड्राई होने के तो उसका ब्लाउज हो गया, वो यहाँ तक आने लग गया. सो दैट इज अ डिजास्टर दैट आई हैड पुट
माय. बट यू डोंट नो दैट आई यूज दैट टॉप नाउ, रितेश, सो दैट्स माय सीक्रेट.
तो आपको बताता हूँ, अगर बीवी को खुश करना है तो 20 साल पुराने कपड़े उसको दे दो.
Whatever. We talk about sharing load.
Sharing load, yeah, of course. Emotional load is the most important thing to share. एक पति से सुन लो आप.
Drama.
No, it's
we share drama also.
We share a lot of drama. That is important. But क्या होता है कि घर पे हो, don't be a काम चोर.
I mean, invest in this time.
Yeah. Share the calm and share the chore. Yeah, because it's important. And wash your hands, and it's a time that is it's not easy. but we will fight it. We will all fight it.
We have
It's
to.
important that all of us stay at home, wash our hands, make sure that we take care of ourselves. Children, they have to be taken care of. At the same time, elders, जो हमारे बुजुर्ग हैं, and people who have hypertension, blood pressure या कोई other medical conditions अगर उनको हो, तो I think it's very important that we all take care of all those and give extra help and extra care to them.
Yeah, and don't underestimate being young or anything like that. It's just important to be safe. So you never know what is there with you. So the important thing to know is that you need to keep your hands clean. You need to keep your regular clothes clean. You need to be as hygienic as you can be, and maybe even more, because that's what's important at this point in time especially, and that should be our motto for the rest of our life as well.
And I just feel that Janila actually said a very nice thing, that when we talk about कि I'm young and मुझे कुछ नहीं होगा, मैं बाहर जाऊंगा थोड़ी देर दोस्तों के साथ घूम के आऊंगा, या फिर ऑफ कोर्स ज़रूरी सामान होता है, मेडिकल चीज़ें हैं या ग्रोसरी शॉपिंग है, ऑफ कोर्स वन हैज़ टू गो आउट एंड डू ऑल दोज थिंग्स. बट अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट हीरो बनने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. कोई हीरो नहीं है. मुझे लगता है सबसे बड़ा हीरो आज या सुपर हीरो वही है जो घर में बैठा हुआ है. क्योंकि हमको सुरक्षित रखने के लिए काफ़ी सारे लोग बाहर हैं, on the streets, like our police officers, our doctors, nurses, medical staff, municipal staff, who are making sure that we are happy and safe. So another important thing, when you're talking about sharing the load, share their load by staying at home.
Yeah, share. I mean, it's a responsibility that you have. I mean, they are leaving their families, putting their families at risk to cure so many people. So it's the least we can do. I think whatever the government is, the decisions that they are taking is all for our betterment. And it's true that we need to stand up as a family, as a big family, and share this load.
So it is so important that what we do and what we intend to do. Interestingly, when Janelia and me, when we look at our kids, so let me tell you how our day begins. So we wake up and our kids are up, and in the morning, of course they have their breakfast and whatever, then they just play with our Flash at home. Flash is our son, our first son. Our dog Flash.
So we are parents to kids, and we are a dog parent.
A dog parent also. So Flash, our first son. So they play with him, they take care of him, and after that their breakfast. So Janelia takes care of all the breakfast and whatever. After that, then it becomes playtime. So वो क्या होता है कि अभी स्कूल चल रहे हैं, तो you have to the teachers are there who are obviously they are telling you to take some sharing their load on to us as teachers, so we have to obviously teach them. And Janelia is fantastic when it comes to taking care of kids and teaching them whatever. And
She's
when
being nice to me.
No, I have been nice because आज रात का खाना मैं बना रहा हूँ. So I don't want her to say कि ये कैसा खाना बनाया. No, इसलिए I'm just being nice so that even if my food is bad, she should feel like it's great. So she takes care of that. And whenever it comes to art, so we try to do. So what interesting we did was we made this paper mache dog. So paper को pulp करके काट के
and that's all
glue
newspaper,
करके
so
use paper recycle
recycling,
paper
yeah.
करके हम लोगों ने न्यूज़पेपर जो पुराने हम लोग बाहर फेंक रहे थे उसी को पकड़ के फिर we made it into two. So my youngest and I want to make a tiger, and then
and he spoke about it, so I probably put up the video later.
yeah, you should do that. You should do where Rian made a cheetah for his school project, so we had to do it, and so that's what he did, and that was interesting because क्या होता है हमेशा sometimes you're so busy with doing so many different things and you're stuck कि यार हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं, and we think कि हमको बच्चों को पढ़ाना है. Every time we think that we have to teach them, but there's so much to learn from them.
Yeah, true.
Janelia, what is one thing that you've learned from your sons?
What I learn, I mean, what I've learned from my children is that they're just amazing. They just don't react to your tempers. You know, sometimes you be having a bad day, you be cranky, you know, but they just make you feel that it's okay, and you know it's okay. The day goes on, we'll be back to hugging you or kissing you. We're not gonna keep anything, you know, against you, and that for me is like the biggest thing ever. So yeah, just to be loved unconditionally.